Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about Flinks. Is Flinks available outside of Canada? Flinks, a financial data aggregation company, was founded in Canada and initially focused exclusively on the Canadian market. It became a leading open banking provider in the country, connecting to hundreds of Canadian financial institutions. However, Flinks has expanded its geographic reach. Flinks is now available in North America, which means it operates in both Canada and the United States. Their goal is to eliminate barriers and ignite innovation in the financial ecosystem. They provide a platform that enables businesses to securely connect to their customers' financial accounts, enrich this data, and utilize it to deliver better digital financial products. This expansion means that businesses in the U.S. can also leverage Flinks technology for services like customer onboarding, verification, and accessing financial insights, utilizing their network of thousands of financial institutions across North America. With that being said, thank you for watching. For more finance videos, kindly check my page. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.